Hey folks, my name is Chris at HouseIt. I'm one of the co-founders here based in sunny Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about a frequently asked question by many of our clients is how to submit a compelling offer here in Miami or Florida generally. Well, the process is going to be quite a bit different if you're coming from New York because here in Florida, offers are typically submitted via a signed copy by the buyer of the standard Florida realtor contract. So in contrast to some other markets like New York City, which is very unique, you're not just usually sending an email with your pre-approval letter and the offer price and general terms and expecting that to be as credible of an offer. Now, of course, you can do that here in South Florida, and it sometimes is done. And when that is allowed by the listing agent or the seller, it's often a relief because we totally get it. Sometimes you just want to get a feel for whether the seller and the buyer are on roughly the same page in terms of price, and sometimes maybe a more informal price check is appropriate if you feel like there's a chance that it might be too far apart. Don't want to go through the hassle. However, most realtors in Florida will insist that to insist a real or serious offer, that it should be submitted via a signed contract with supporting documentation such as a pre-approval letter if you're financing. Occasionally they might ask for proof of funds as well. But that signed contract demonstrates a lot of seriousness. So that is the most compelling way to submit an offer and to be taken seriously here in Miami or in Florida generally, as the entire state uses a standard sort of fill-in-the-blank realtor purchase contract. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. My name is Chris at HouseIt. We can help you save up to 6% when you sell or up to 2% or more back when you buy with our HouseIt Buyer Closing Credit Program. We give you 2/3 of the buyer agent commission. And then, of course, on the sell side, the agent-assisted FSBO program helps you save 6%, all 6% in broker commissions if you find a direct buyer. And of course, we also have a more full service for 1% program if you need a little bit more help. We cover all of New York City, Long Island, Hudson Valley, and in South Florida we cover Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties. My name is Chris at HouseIt, and we'll see you on the next one.